Boom, ba-doom, ba-dee-dee-dee-boom.
Oh, Lulu, little Lulu, with freckles on your skin. Always in and out of trouble, but mostly always in. Using Dad's necktie for the tail of your kite. Using Mom's lipstick for the letters you write. Little Lulu, there's no one quite as smart. Doesn't matter what you're doing it with your heart. Shiny curls, a dancing hair's a sparkle in your eye. When can we look forward to your next surprise? What a surprise! Oh, the clock says 7:30, it's really after 10. Looks like Lulu's been repairing it again. Blow your wine, why? You know it's true, Lou. And you're very hard to take. Little Lulu, we love you just the same, Little Lulu, we love you, Lou, just the same.
Shove! Those are Lulu's tips for a quick room cleaning. First, there's the fast way. Bring everything that's making the mess to your best friend's room, and when it's time to clean her room, switch back. A faster way? Push everything into a big pile, throw a blanket over the top, and tell your mom it's a new beanbag chair. And everyone knows the fastest way. Shove everything into your closet. But if you do that, you better stay tuned for Lulu's tips for a quick closet cleaning.
Tubby the detective is in business. Just 25 cents a case, 2 cases for 60 cents.
Tubby, I think I need a detective.
25 cents, please. Now, what's your problem?
Every time us girls watch a movie during Annie's sleepovers, someone steals our popcorn.
Oh, boy. Finally, a real crime. I'll catch the thief for you, Lulu. When's the next sleepover?
Tonight. But only girls are invited. Iggy even has to go stay at Willie's.
No one will even know I'm there. I'll meet you outside Annie's house at 7 o'clock.
Gee, thanks, Tubby. If Tubby doesn't show up, I'll ask for my quarterback. Hi. Tubby? Oh, my gosh! What are you doing dressed up like a girl?
Well, only girls are invited, and I knew I'd make a pretty good girl. I like the name Doreen. So call me Doreen Dainty from Hollywood.
If you say so, Tubby. But let's forget the Hollywood business.
Hi, Lulu. Who's your friend?
This is Doreen, Annie. Doreen Dainty.
From Hollywood. Come on in. We're in the bathroom putting on makeup.
Makeup? But what about the movie? What about the popcorn?
I guess I forgot to tell you about the makeup part, Doreen. Everyone, this is Doreen Dainty.
From Hollywood? Oh, yes. Our help is definitely needed here.
Oh, what do you mean? I don't need help.
Wait, I gotta do something with Doreen first.
Are you sure about this glue, Lulu? This wig will never come off. Oh.
If the girls try to curl your hair, we're done for.
Lulu, Doreen, are you in here?
I'm just powdering Doreen's nose.
Poor Doreen. Come on, girls. Doreen is in trouble. Gee, Lulu, what did you do? Glue this powder on? Don't worry, Doreen. We'll fix you up just right.
Wow, you're brave. You didn't even flinch when I pulled out your hair.
Can we please watch the movie now?
Okay, but first we have to get in our nightgowns.
Doreen forgot to bring a nightgown.
Oh, I have one that should fit you.
All Oh, that's nice of you. Doreen wears her mother's clothes all the time.
Don't you have anything with race cars on it?
Come on,
Now we'll find out who the thief is.
Let's get this show on the road. Ooh, good popcorn.
Could I please have some?
Sure. Hey, it's gone.
Where?
The thief must have come through this open window. And where'd he go?
Doreen will catch the thief. She's an even better detective than Tubby.
Ouch! Let's watch the movie and stop worrying about the popcorn. We've got a whole box of candy to enjoy. Iggy and Willie.
Who are you?
Would you like some popcorn? It's very good.
Relax, Willie. It's me, Tubby.
Huh? No way. Tubby would never wear a pink nightgown. Maybe a yellow one.
And that hair.
It's a wig, but Lulu glued it on.
You're not gonna turn us in, are you, Tubby, old buddy?
I won't, but you gotta do something for me. Climb back down and get the candy.
Doreen, can I have some candy? Doreen?
Where'd she go? Do you think... could she have been stolen too?
Something weird is going on. Come on, girls. Let's check out the house.
Hurry up, you two.
Doreen, where are you?
Our popcorn!
I caught them red-handed, girls.
What do you mean, caught us? You wanted us to steal the candy too.
Come on, girls. Let's reel them in. Doreen is Tubby, girls. I asked him to come solve the popcorn case. I didn't know he'd try to trick us out of all our snacks.
What are we gonna do with them?
They can watch the movie with us, but first we have to make some adjustments. There! Now all us girls can watch the movie together.
See? It ain't so bad, guys.
Yeah, at least we get some popcorn.
Choosing a baby's name is tough, but not if you follow Lulu's name plan. First, decide what kind of kid you want, then pick the name. You want a tough kid? Name him Spike. A cheerleader? Name her Muffy. And of course, for a smart kid, Lulu. But please, don't name your kids because of what they're like as babies. I mean, who wants to go through life being called Stinky? When girls get up in the morning, they have to shower, scrub, brush, floss, and blow dry. And boys, they just throw on some old dirty clothes and they're out the door. Mom says being dirty is in boys' jeans. Well, if you ask me, it's not just in their jeans. It's on their shirts, too.
Dooba-dooba-doo.
Gosh! Yippee! This super duper wind is holding me up. Uh-oh.
Hey, sounds like the boys are tearing down their clubhouse. Gosh, Tubby, who's in there if you're out here?
The West Side boys, they're wrecking our clubhouse.
Hide!
Oh, one day we're gonna show those West Side boys. We'll stomp them into the ground until they're flatter than pancakes.
Well, go get 'em. What are you waiting for?
Are you kidding? Those guys are huge. Oh, look what they did.
They ate my lunch.
I wish they'd let us join their club. Then maybe we could help them get even.
I'll ask my brother Iggy. Me and Iggy are just like that. Hey, Iggy, how about if we...
Ouch!
Whoa! Ugh. Just for 2 minutes, I'd like to be as strong as an elephant. Then I'd wreck more than their clubhouse.
The other day when I held my arm a certain way, I think I saw a muscle.
Wow, a gym. Let's look around.
See? There's the muscle. But it's not very strong. I have to hold it up. I wish I were strong enough to lift this.
Oh, Lulu, you're so strong.
Oh my gosh.
Nothing.
Look what Lulu's doing.
I don't believe
Look
it.
at that. It must weigh a ton.
It's locked. Maybe there's a back way in.
Somebody's coming.
And up, and up, and... I'll never get to my workout.
Phew.
Hey, there's the big dumbbell Lulu was lifting.
That's a barbell, you dumbbell.
I bet it's not as heavy as it looks. If Lulu can lift it, so can I. Yeah.
Hey, this is no place for kids. Scram!
Yes, sir.
We're going.
We're going.
When did Lulu get so strong?
I just wish I could remember how I held my arm that time I saw a muscle. Huh? Where'd that come from?
And look what it did to that tree.
Gosh.
Wow. Get a load of Lulu.
Gee willikers. She must have pulled that big tree out of the ground.
Without even lifting a finger.
I don't believe it. Let's see you pull out that one.
Don't be silly, Tubby. That one isn't in our way.
What are you doing, Tubby?
No girl can be stronger than me.
Come on, Tubby.
Come on, Tubby. You can do it. You can do it. You can't do it.
Oh, we need Lulu in our club. Good news, Lulu! We're gonna let you two join our club.
Oh, goody.
At last, we're in.
We've got big plans for you. Follow me, men, guys, people.
Oh, boy, I've always wanted to see what's inside. Gosh, it's pretty bare, Tubby.
Oh, we'll fill it soon enough once we raid the West Side Boys clubhouse.
Oops, sorry.
She's gonna cream those West Side boys.
And then we should get her on the boxing circuit.
There's a strongman competition coming up.
And that guy in the gym.
Oh, she could teach him some manners.
Now we've got a big problem. They think I'm really strong. I can't take on all the West Side boys.
Look, it's that tornado again.
What's going on? Oh my gosh! Mama! Hey, Lulu! What are you doing?
Don't fool around.
Put us down!
Next time, we'll really fix Tubby and his fraidy cats. Wow! She ripped the door right off its hinges. Let's get out of here.
We wanted you to beat the West Side boys, Lulu, but you didn't have to throw us at them.
From now on, I vow never to use my great strength again. A word of advice to all you parents about bath time. Kids work hard at getting dirty. It's practically a full-time job. So if you want us to wash away all our hard work, you'll have to do better than tossing in a couple of plastic boats and a rubber ducky. Come on, tear out that old bathtub and put in a bath pool. Can't you just see it? Bubble fountains, wave machines, surfing, and dolphins. Then you never have to worry about getting us kids into a bath. You have to worry about getting us out.
Oh, Lulu.
Oh boy, I can't wait to go skiing for the first time. Oof. Oh. Hey, that was easy. But I better be careful not to break anything, like my leg. Hi, Dad.
Oh, I can't bear to watch. Oh, no, Lulu. That's not how you ski.
How do you know? You've never skied before either.
Ah, but I've watched it enough on TV, so I'm gonna go to Skytop Mountain to practice. Wanna come?
Sure, we can learn how to ski together.
There's even a big ski competition today.
We're not gonna go in it, are we, Tubby?
Nah, it's for old people. You have to be over 16. But we can watch and maybe you'll learn something.
Gosh, this mountain is really big and steep.
You have nothing to worry about, Lulu. I'll protect you. Why, after today, you'll be a champion skier.
Look out!
Good thing this bump was here.
Oh, where am I?
At the Skytop Mountain skiing contest.
But that's on Saturday.
This is Saturday.
And I've been buried since Tuesday.
I don't want to learn how to do that, okay, Tubby?
Neither do I.
Gosh, I wish I could ski like her. Oops! But I don't think I'll ever learn how to do that.
That might be the first thing you learn.
What's that?
I'm not sure, but...
Wow! I skied and I fell and I'm alive! But not for long if I fall down this hill.
Hey, look! There's the ski contest. Gosh, he's flying like a bird.
He's flapping his arms like one, too.
He landed.
They're picking him up. They're carrying him away. Birds don't have to be picked up and carried away.
Birds don't ski.
Oh, gotcha!
What are you doing, Lulu?
I'm going to practice on a smaller hill.
I don't think there's such a thing as a smaller hill, Lulu. I'll tell the ambulance to stand by.
Smarty.
Lulu, what are you doing?
Practicing, silly. Sorry, I didn't mean to jump the line.
It's not your turn. And hey, you're just a little girl. Stop!
I haven't even learned how to ski yet. And you want me to stop? I'm too young to die.
Lulu!
Never seen anything like it. Your friend is a fantastic skier.
Well, she should be. I taught her everything she knows. She knows how to ski after all.
At least I won't see what I hit. I hope those other skiers aren't mad at me for going ahead of them. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Tompkins. Wow, I skied. Now how do I stop? Oh, I guess this is how you stop. What happened to the mountain?
Hey, little girl, what are you doing in the city dump?
I was skiing at Skytop Mountain.
I think I better call the police.
Police? But I didn't mean to go before those other skiers. It was an accident.
Hello, I have a little girl here at the city dump. She says she was skiing at Skytop Mountain and... What's that you say? Okay. The police will be right over to pick you up.
Gosh, imagine putting a little girl in jail for jumping the line and going skiing. I wonder if they put handcuffs on little girls.
You can sit in the middle, Lulu.
Don't worry, Officer McNabb. I won't try to escape. You know, if I could do it over again, I'd wait my turn before skiing. Honest. Are all those people looking for me?
That's right.
Boy, I must be in really big trouble.
Little girl, it gives me great pleasure to present you with this beautiful silver cup. No one has ever jumped so high and skied so far.
Wow!
I can't believe you didn't tell me you were a champion skier, Lulu.
I guess I am. All I have to do now is learn how to stop. It gets so busy in kids' rooms at night, it's amazing we ever get any sleep. Just think about it. First, there are bed bugs trying to bite you. And the tooth fairy. At least she leaves money for our teeth. Then there's the Sandman sprinkling sand in our eyes. Boy, if he went to my school, he'd be looking at 3 weeks detention for that. And the boogeyman, who's there when your eyes are closed, but poof, gone when you open them. How's a kid supposed to sleep playing that game all night long? And even at Christmas, something called sugar plums dance on our heads. Parents, forget the nightlight. We need a traffic light.